Okay, to all the joint family, I would like to introduce my Video Talk family. I want all my Video Talk people to stand up. To all of you who are here, we would like to say that myself, my colleague Vinita and Shani, who is here, we started our career 3.5 years back in My Video Talk, and we started from our single bedroom apartments, showing plans from our living room. And today we have 250 plus people in the hall, and thank you very much for all of you My Video Talkers for making us feel proud. Good morning, my family. Good morning. Thank you very much. 3.5 years back, after joining My Video Talk, I had the opportunity to visit DSCI event. And I just casually went there. I listened to Rami, I listened to Carol, and Carol, I still remember, the trainings which I have been going through DSCA, wow, unbelievable. And I've been always wanting to be associated with them. And a few months back when I met Priya, and when he told me that he's going to come out with a certification process, I knew that Rami and all of you will be involved. I was so excited. And then they told me there's going to be an online certification program and there's going to be an exam online. The reason I became successful, in fact, I'm the first 10-star worldwide for My Video Talk, earned $50,000 in 1 week. The reason I became successful is learning, trainings, and thanks to all those successful people who taught me, I just followed them. And when I came here, when I came to know there's going to be another test and examination, to be very honest, I got nervous. And I thought that I should take it up seriously. And but initially, being successful as a leader, over a period of time, all we networkers become moron. That means we don't learn, we only teach people. And here was the opportunity for me to learn. Still, I went online very casually, took the training programs, and the first module, I heard Graham, things changed. Immediately after the first module, I took up the piece of paper and started writing notes. You won't believe it, the 20 minutes became 3.5 hours. And in fact, all the 12 modules, I took more than 4 days. And it took me 2 weeks. Watching them again and again, I was scared to take the exam because you have to lead by example. As a leader, you can't fail. And I went on, and finally, it's just, few seconds, finish. And finally, yesterday, I had the guts to finally take the test. Puri was telling me, go ahead, take the test. Yesterday, I took the test, and I scored 100%.
Wow, awesome.
And the best part of it is that immediately I passed, all my team members started taking tests, and they were going on till morning 5 a.m. And to be honest with you, in the last 24 hours after I passed, 26 of my members have passed. Whole night going through the exam and passing, and thank you very much. And because of this test, because of the certification, my business is going to grow. Thank you so much,
Absolutely,
IDCI.
absolutely. Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's give Senton and his team another hand. That's awesome leadership by example. Senton, way to go, buddy. Excellent job. Yes. Picture over there.